Joining an international team is more than just connecting on the professional level, but also connecting personally and learning more about this global experience.
I have had the opportunity to step outside my comfort zone and realize the importance and value that viewing things through a different cultural lens can bring.
So I'd really encourage you to apply for this program because you get to see different parts of the world and experience their work cultures firsthand.